Hey YouTube addicts, this is Portuguese DIY Dad, and today I'm building a chicken feeder. This is what I've been doing. I'll show you. What I've been doing is I've been just throwing food right on the ground every morning, and I'm tired of it. I'm tired to come out here early in the morning, sometimes when it's cold, and feed these chickens. So today I'm building something that hopefully I only have to do once every 2 weeks. Alright, so today I'm building this guy right here. It's a feeder. I picked up these barrels for $20 each. I'm only going to use one for the feeder. And I picked up these adapters, elbows, whatever you want to call them. And they're the ducks, the mighty ducks. Anyways, and I picked them up for $14 on Amazon. I got a set of 6, so this is what it looks like. I was pricing these things out. I was looking at elbows, PVC 4-inch elbows at Lowe's, and they were like $7 each. So I'm like, 7 times 6, it's too much money. So I got these for $14, and they're kind of cool. They have this rubber piece that goes right in between them. And I'm going to show you how to install one. And okay guys, get out of here. Out. And it came with the bit. So this guy alone, if you go to Lowe's, you're going to spend probably another like $15. So it comes with this, it comes with that, all for $15. I'll drop the link on the description so you can pick it up yourself. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. So real quick. So you want these to be low. You don't want them to be too high, because you want them to reach out to the food all the way at the bottom. If not, you're going to have old food at the bottom for a long time. So you have this bit right in the middle, and this is pretty good distance right here. And well, it worked. Alright, well, there's a hole, and you want to clean it out because chickens will eat all this. Make sure it's nice and clean. Alright, so kind of cool. You got this washer. I'll put it right over it, and this goes on the inside. This goes on the outside. And I'm short. Alright, let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Pretty simple, right? So I have 2 installed. I think I'm gonna do probably 4, not 6. I'm gonna put 1 on each end. And that's it, guys. So pretty simple. And let me finish putting the other 2, and then I'll fill it up with the food. And I'll show you, I'll let you know if the chickens like it or not. Alright guys, all 4 of them have been installed. All looks good, and I also have a cover for it, these guys, and they work really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with food. Alright, I was able to put 2 big bags of feed, and I still have more space. I can probably put another bag if I wanted to, so 3 bags, man, that's a lot. So let's close it up. Alright, let's close it up. Nice and sealed, nice and sturdy. And let's see if they go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. All right, the moment of truth. I think the feeder is a success. All right, now I don't need to come out every morning and feed these guys. Well, these girls, whatever. All right, my next project is creating a better system for water, a water system, a water feeder. All right, if you guys have any good ideas, please share them with me. I would appreciate some really good ideas. Right now, this is what I have. It's back there, right there. Okay, I don't like it. I have to fill it up every 2 days, and I need something larger, so I'm thinking of something like this since I have another barrel, creating something with this barrel. So if you have some ideas, please send them to me. I would appreciate it. I hope this helps someone out. I'm thinking I'm gonna save some money on food, because I'm sure when I spread it on the ground, birds come and eat the food as well, so this way it's only the chickens that are eating it. So hope you can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. Easy enough project that you can do it yourself. All right, guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. The more thumbs up I get, more people see these videos. And don't forget to subscribe, send it to your friends and family, and I hope this helps someone. Bye.